Here we have some word problems that are dealing with some composite or piecewise rectangular figures. In this one it says Milan's backyard has a patio and a garden. So here's the patio area and then the garden kind of surrounds it in this L shape. And it says find the area of the garden. So we want this dark blue area and tells us all the sides meet at right angles. So we're dealing with rectangles. There are two different ways I can think of to do this one, and I'm going to show you both of them. The first is just to consider this dark blue area, the garden, and cut it up. Cut it up into two rectangles and then add them together. So this rectangle is 6 by 2, so that's 12. And this rectangle is not 6 by 2, right? This 6 refers to this whole distance. So what is this distance right here? Well, if I look down here, that's 4. The width of the patio is 4, and this part is just as wide as the patio. So this is a 4 by 2, and that's 8. And so we have 12 plus 8. That equals 20, and our units would be square yards. So that's not too tough. There is a different way you can do this. You could say, I'm going to find the area of this whole big square and then subtract the area of the patio. Now the area of the patio, 4 times 4, that's 16. And the whole big square is 6 by 6. So 6 times 6 equals 36. So we just have 36 minus 16. That's 20 square yards. Luckily, or it's a relief, that we came out with the same answer, so we must have done it right. And you can decide which way was easier, the first method or the second. Either one is fine. Let's try this next one. This one says, Austin's garden has tulips and roses. Find the area of the part with tulips. So we've got this kind of weird T-shaped area here. And let's see. I think it's pretty easy to split this up like this. And then we've got a 3 by 5. That equals 15. And then this, we've got to figure out what the lengths and widths are. Oh, it looks like it's the same length as the rose bed, and that's 4. And it's only 1 meter wide. So 4 times 1, that equals 4. That's a pretty easy way to do it. So 15 plus 4 then would be 19 square meters. Now you could also take the area of the whole big rectangle. You'd have to add together these to get the sides. It'd be 7 by 5. That'd be 35. And then you've got 2 boxes to do, 2 4 by 2 boxes. Each of those are 8 because 2 times 4 is 8. So there'd be 16. And 35 minus 16 would indeed add up to 19. So that all works, but probably this method for this particular problem is the easiest way to go about it. So that is a little bit of work with some word problems involving these composite rectangular figures.